Hello. Today in Shubhvardan, I learned that for making a brand, we have to find out our micro niche. Because based on the micro niche only, we can build a brand. If you are successful in finding correct micro niche, that is like diagnosing a disease by a doctor. If the doctor diagnoses a disease correctly, then he can cure that disease fast. So we have to find our micro niche first, and there should be originality. No copy, no copy paste. That should be original story of ours, which will help to make our brand. And the more people love us, the more money we can get. And people see vision. People find out whether we are money focused or vision focused. They can easily make out from our behavior, from our way of talking, etc. And another thing we learned today is that fast movers get advantage. No first movers or last movers. Only fast movers get advantage. So we have to be fast movers in every respect of our life. Third thing we learned today, that our network is our network. That is our asset. So we have to be careful in building our network, because that will be our asset for future. Thank you.